Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make cornbread with creamed corn. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of yellow cornmeal, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. For the wet ingredients, grab 1 large egg, 1 cup of milk, 1 can of creamed corn, and 1/2 cup of melted unsalted butter. Don't forget 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt to ensure a perfect rise and balanced taste. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now that we have all our ingredients, let's mix the batter. In a large bowl, whisk together the cornmeal, flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt until well combined. In a separate, medium-sized bowl, whisk the egg, milk, creamed corn, and melted butter. Once both mixtures are ready, pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Stir gently with a spoon or spatula until just combined. Overmixing can lead to a dense, tough cornbread, so stop as soon as no dry streaks remain. With your batter ready, it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven heats, generously grease a 9-inch square baking pan or a cast iron skillet with butter or cooking spray. This prevents sticking and helps create a lovely crust. Carefully pour the cornbread batter into the prepared pan, spreading it evenly. Bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes, or until a wooden skewer inserted into the center comes out clean and the top is beautifully golden brown. Your kitchen will smell amazing. Your delicious cornbread is now ready. Let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before slicing. This allows it to set properly and makes for cleaner cuts. Serve it warm, perhaps with a generous pat of butter melting on top or a sweet drizzle of honey. This moist and flavorful cornbread is a perfect accompaniment to hearty chili, savory stews, or any barbecue meal. Leftovers can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days, though it rarely lasts that long.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.